I think I use flash.
Got to show off with the flash. You know, the savvy going natural light.
Actually, I use flash as a filler for my natural light. All right, we just did an interview with Coach Tay. We're finna do a photo shoot with her now. She is off the chain at everything she does. She fussed me out a couple of days ago, so I had no choice but to come out here.
I did a little bit, just a little bit. Just a little bit. Just a little bit.
Didn't think I enjoyed it so much.
I know, my hand was shooting me here, got some new models and stuff.
Nah, you just been busy at everything.
Oh, gosh. Funny. Hoping it pays off.
Yeah, she don't need me no more.
That's all you gotta do is let me know. Come up, if you got a concept, and all I gotta do is come up with the look for the concept, well, yeah. But if I didn't come up with the concept, I'd be struggling.
I always got concepts.
I know. Last time you told me I was on a bike, and then that was it. Everybody's like, "You took that bike for a ride?" I know. That thing ain't.
Ready? All right, we good. Ready? Yep. Yep. Good. Matter of fact. So I ain't gotta crop out the picture. 1, 2, 3. Ooh. Right there. Stay right there. We are using the Neewer Q3, Canon SL2 with the 24-105 lens 4.0. Nice. Right. Is it dusty?
Nah, I'll wipe it off some.
Okay.
Want me to get up there?
Yeah. It is pollen season. Got it? Okay. Upper body shrimp. Okay. Perfect. Fat. Clean that way. Eyes at me. Oh, that looks good. That looks good unedited.
You have a good unedited photo that's straight off the camera. There you go. I look like I'm panning on the pencil.
Yeah, let's shoot you from this way here. Keep that hand right there. Perfect. About to do that too. About to do that. You do one thing. Lay it back some more.
For me, I ain't talking about Steve.
Perfect. Hey, God. Stay right there. Stay right there. Nice. One thing. My waking in the way. Alright, so this time I got two Neewer Q3s. Yeah. Give me a second. Oh yeah. Stay like that. That lay there, stretch it out. There you go. Woo. I thought you was in the whole time. Down again. There you go. Head down a little more. Eyes up. Damn. Ooh. All right. Right there. Yeah. Yeah. So how would people get in contact with you if they want to get your services when it comes to the mentoring or doing photos?
Okay, so as of right now, my website is being rebranded and relaunched. But you can find me on my nonprofit's website at hohsafehaven.com. You can always get access to Coach Tay there. You can follow me at Coach Tay _142, which means I love me. That's the whole point of Coach Tay Perfectly Flawed. And you can find me on Miss with a Z 302 Tay. That's my model page on Instagram. You can follow HOH Safe Haven on Instagram. That's the fashion show. I mean, the nonprofit. And then Fashion Healsall you can find on Instagram as well.
Okay.